Whether temps are too hot or too cold for a regular soap and bucket wash, if your location doesn't allow for regular water wash, or if time is too tight but a clean car is still priority, Turtle Wax's quick and easy Exterior 1 Waterless Wash and Wax has the whole process covered in one simple formula. The Exterior 1 Waterless Wash and Wax formula includes advanced polymer technology that encapsulates dirt and grime for a scratch-free clean, and can even be applied in direct sunlight without leaving streaks or spots. Start by evaluating the vehicle to be cleaned. If areas with caked-on mud or soil are present, either rinse the mass away with a hose or spot clean with Exterior 1. When starting with Exterior 1 Waterless Wash and Wax, first shake the bottle. Apply to one section at a time and start from the highest area of the car, like the roof and exterior glass, and work your way down. Once sprayed onto a section of your car, spread and remove the product in one step with a clean and dry microfiber towel, making sure to flip or fold to clean areas of the microfiber as the towel gets dirty, and replacing with a fresh clean towel periodically. Working your way lower section by section, repeat this process for the entirety of the vehicle's paint, glass, trim, and finally, wheels. Enriched with wax for a shiny protective finish, Exterior 1's formula also repels water and rain to aid in keeping your car cleaner, longer. No matter the scenario, quick and easy cleaning and protection are always within reach with Turtle Wax's Exterior 1 Waterless Wash and Wax.